NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? She got home cooked meals, turn up the heat. A little bit of dessert, it won't hurt. Let's get the cooking with Nana, the expert.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making slow cooker orange chicken. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 pounds of chicken breasts cut into bite-sized pieces, 1/3 cup of cornstarch, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1½ cups of orange marmalade, 1/2 cup of low-sodium soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of freshly ground ginger, 3 garlic cloves minced, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1½ teaspoons of sesame seeds, and also green scallions chopped for garnish. Okay guys, I put my chicken chunks into a larger bowl. So all we're going to do now is put our cornstarch over top. And you just want to go in and mix it until all your chicken pieces are coated nicely. Now to a heated saucepan over medium-low heat, we're going to add in our olive oil. You want that to come to temperature. Once it comes to temperature, we're going to begin to add in our chicken. Okay guys, now all we're going to do is lightly brown our chicken. We're not going to cook it all the way through. As you can see, our chicken is starting to brown some. Once your chicken is lightly brown, you can turn off the heat. Now you can place your chicken inside of your slow cooker. Now to a bowl, I added in my orange marmalade, my low sodium soy sauce, my garlic powder. I'm going to add in my garlic cloves, some sesame seeds, our red pepper flakes, rice vinegar, our sesame oil, and also our ground ginger. All you want to do is take a whisk and whisk it together until everything is well combined. Okay guys, now you want to pour your sauce over top of your chicken. Now what I'm going to do is give it a good stir. You want to make sure your chicken is coated in your sauce. It smells really good. Okay guys, now we're going to put it on for 3 hours on low. Once you get to 1.5 hours, you want to uncover it and mix it. Okay guys, it's been 1.5 hours, so we're just going to go in and mix everything together. Nothing sticking or burning. So now we're just going to let it cook for the remainder of the time. Make sure you put your lid back on top. Okay guys, so our orange chicken is now done. As you can see, our sauce thickened up nicely. So now it's time to plate it. Okay guys, look how delicious this looks. It tastes amazing. So now all you want to do is take some sesame seeds. We're just going to sprinkle some over the top. Then we're going to take some of our scallions, just for garnish, and place it over top. Okay guys, so here we have it, our slow cooker orange chicken. It came out perfect. So guys, I just wanted to give you my thoughts on this 10-in-1 multi-cooker. To me, it's perfect. I've also made white rice in it, and it came out perfectly. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?